In today's video, I'll be sharing my top 3 SEO software tools to improve your keywords. I'll walk you through each of these tools' standout features and explain why they're so important for anyone serious about search engine optimization. So without further ado, let's hop right in. Up first is Content Raptor. Content Raptor is an SEO tool that focuses on boosting traffic from your existing pages. One of its biggest selling points is how easily it connects to Google Search Console to extract real-time data about your site's performance. Instead of guessing which pages have the best potential for growth, Content Raptor stack ranks them based on how much additional traffic they could gain. It even offers an AI rewrite feature that weaves in missing keywords or entities so your page can become more relevant without sacrificing readability. Another unique aspect is its emphasis on automated testing, which lets you measure whether your updates lead to meaningful improvements in rankings or clicks. Overall, it's a time saver for those who want to refine what's already published rather than constantly churning out new pages. If you want to get started with Content Raptor and see how it works, I would definitely recommend using the link down in the description of this video. When you click that link, you should be brought to a page that looks like this. As you can see, this is the fastest way to boost your search engine optimization traffic. They have a 7-day free trial that you can get started with simply by clicking this button. As you can see, they also have a little demo screen here that shows you how this whole entire process works in the first place. They can show you your test results, your content optimization, and a host of other metrics that are super important. If you want to get started with that free trial, we simply have to click this button, which will take us to the Get Started page where we enter in our email address and our password. The next steps will be verifying that email address, connecting our Search Console for our Google account, and then starting our optimization process. Also, just a quick note, I want to go over pricing so you guys have a perfect idea of just how expensive or how cheap it could be to get started with them. As you can see, they have super simple pricing. They have an annual option or a monthly option. With the annual option, you will get 2 months free with your overall purchase, but if you go with the monthly option, you can see that you're going to be spending about $47 a month for their all-in-one plan. They do have that 7-day free trial though, which lets you get started completely for free. Now, once you're inside of Content Raptor, within moments, you'll see a dashboard listing your most promising pages along with specific keywords that need attention. Clicking on any page opens a content editor that flags missing phrases and semantically important entities you could add. If you prefer an automatic fix, the AI rewrite option can insert those words into text completely for you. After saving your changes, you can push them directly to WordPress or track the page manually. Over time, the tool's built-in analytics will show you if impressions, clicks, or rankings have improved. And that's pretty much everything you need to know about Content Raptor. Next up is Semrush. Semrush is a massive platform widely recognized for its comprehensive approach to digital marketing. It covers everything from keyword research and even on-page recommendations to social media scheduling and competitor analysis. If you ever struggle to understand what keywords your rivals are ranking for, Semrush can reveal this by providing detailed traffic, keyword position, and backlink data. Its suite of reports track changes over time, helping you keep tabs on evolving search trends or competitor tactics. Another big plus is the ability to integrate local SEO, paid ads, and brand monitoring all within a single interface. One standout module in Semrush is the keyword research section, which reveals search volumes, difficulty scores, and related terms for virtually any topic. Another go-to area is the on-page SEO checker that suggests technical improvements and content tweaks based on competitive benchmarks. Semrush also excels at competitor analysis, giving you daily or weekly updates on which keywords and campaigns they're running so you can spot opportunities to outrank them. All these elements make it easier to form a holistic strategy rather than piecemealing separate solutions. If you want to get started with Semrush, I would definitely recommend using the link down in the description. When you use that link, you'll be brought to a page that looks like this. As you can see, you can get started with Semrush for 14 days with their pro exclusive access, and you can do so completely for free. All we have to do is hit the orange try it free button, which will then take us to their sign up page. We can then either get signed up with a Google account or we can give them an email and create a password. Once we've done all this, we'll then hit the create account button and we'll officially be inside of Semrush. To use Semrush, you can type in your competitor's URL to see which keywords drive their traffic. A visual report will appear, displaying keyword positions, estimated monthly visits, and even the websites that backlink to them. From there, you might pivot to the keyword magic tool, which suggests related phrases and filters them by metrics like search volume or keyword difficulty. After picking a few promising terms, you could then switch to the on-page SEO checker to see if your own pages need structural or content updates. Once you apply these fixes, you can revisit the platform to gauge progress and check if your rankings improve. Now, last but not least, we have SurferSEO, which specializes in perfecting on-page elements by comparing your content to top-ranking pages. Rather than a broad digital marketing writing suite, Surfer aims to give you laser-focused recommendations for each piece of content. One of its core features is the content editor, which generates a target word count, recommended headings, and a list of relevant terms. This helps ensure each article is in line with what Google currently favors for your chosen keyword set. Another plus is Surfer's integration with artificial intelligence writing tools, which can refine your copy while preserving its authenticity. This is particularly handy if you rely on AI-generated drafts that still need a human touch in order to pass inspection, with both search engines and readers. Additionally, Surfer's rank tracking shows how your pages perform after you implement the tool's recommendations. This feedback loop helps you understand whether your newly optimized pages are gaining traction or if further tweaks are needed. That level of detail can benefit anyone trying to rise above well-established sites in the SERPs. Essentially, if you want an on-page specialist to streamline the writing process, SurferSEO could be your go-to. And if you want to get started with SurferSEO, I would definitely recommend using the link down in the description. When you click that link, you'll be brought to a page that looks like this. As you can see, we can get started with them right now by hitting the purple Get Started button. Once we're on the Get Started page, we can either get signed up with our Google account or sign up with an email address. If we take a quick look at their pricing here, they have yearly plans where you'll save about 20%, and they also have a monthly option. Now for their monthly option, you'll probably only need the essential plan here, which is going to be about $99 a month. Once we choose that, we also get access to a 7-day money-back guarantee, so if you have any issues with any of their software, you can get your money back, no questions asked. Now once you're inside of SurferSEO, start by opening the content editor and entering your target keyword. Surfer will then analyze top-ranking pages and generate recommendations. You can copy and paste your draft into the editor to get an instant content score, which measures how well your content aligns with your competitors. Up next, you can review suggested keywords in the sidebar and identify terms that you can incorporate into your draft. Scroll through the suggestions for headings and images to ensure your content includes sections and has enough visuals to match the competition. If you're pressed for time, you can use the Auto Optimize button to let Surfer insert relevant keywords automatically. Now that we've talked about all these platforms, let's discuss which one is right for you. In terms of pricing, each software scales differently. Content Raptor offers a site-based plan at $47 per month, geared towards more of a single site or a portfolio approach. Semrush's subscription tiers can climb as you expand your usage of advanced features, like local SEO, competitor monitoring, and ad research. SurferSEO has various plans based on how many articles you optimize monthly, and whether you include extras like their AI rewriting tool. Before committing, it's often helpful to use these free trials or demos that we talk about in the video. You can get started with most of these services completely for free. If you want to get started with them, make sure you use the links down in the description. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one.